Hey everyone! Today we'll show you how to use MAPOG Split Polygon tool. First, head over to story.mapog.com and open your existing map or create a new one. Give it a proper name and description. I've already added a large farmland that I need to divide into smaller sections for better land management. If you're unsure how to add a polygon, check out our other tutorials. Now, go to the left panel, click on Process Data, and select the Split Polygon tool. Select the layer you want to split from the drop-down menu. Choose the polygon you want to split. Set the number of divisions depending on your needs. You can save the file as a new layer, or you can update the existing file. Once you're ready, hit Submit and watch your polygon transform into smaller, more manageable pieces. To make your map visually appealing, click on Style Layer from the Action button to adjust colors, borders, and opacity. Label each section if needed for better clarity. And that's it. You've successfully split a polygon using MAPOG. Whether you're working in urban planning, real estate, or agriculture, this tool helps you break down large areas with ease. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more MAPOG tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments or email us at support@mapog.com. Happy mapping!